Hello sewing friends! My name is Alice Murray and this is my channel Murr-Made Designs, where every day I am showing you a new garment that I have made. And I have challenged myself to 365 garments. And this is day 125. And today is kind of fun. Well, I'll show you and then we'll talk about it. Look at these fun sleeves. The V hem. I think this is so fun. This is Butterick 5740. And this is from the gift of patterns that I just received with all the vintage patterns. And this is one from the 70s. And I know it's from the 70s because I had a shirt just like that when I was in high school. And I'm gonna show this to you in a couple days. I made it too. But today we're talking about this one, and it was so fun to make. It's basically, I don't know if the line drawings will enlighten you any, but it's basically these two pattern pieces, which are pretty close to the same. You cut them out, you lay the four of them out, you actually hem it and do the neckline and the sleeves first, then you lay it out and connect them together. Sew up the arm sleeve and the side sleeve and the side seam and the sleeve seam at the same time. I just think this is so fun. And this material is kind of fun too. It is from Fabricland, from their discount area, and you can kind of see through it. I had to put a cami under it, but I think that's kind of fun. Yeah. I don't know if this is something in 2021 that people are wearing, but it's something in 2021 I'm wearing. I think it's very cool. I kind of love it. Super duper easy make. So if you're looking for something fun to make, if you can find this on Etsy or somewhere, Butterick 5740. Super duper fun. And it says on the back that it is, let's see, semi-fitted top, has square neckline with raglan sleeves and pointed hemline. And their suggested fabric is soft or crisp fabric such as gauze, voile, poplin, challis, broadcloth, crinkle cotton, synthetic crepe, gingham, and jersey. So this is a stretch knit. Got a bit of stretch to it. Not a lot of stretch, but it does have a bit of stretch to it. I think I might try it again in maybe a cotton voile or something with some drape in it. Maybe rayon, some rayon challis. Something with some color in it for spring. I think that might be fun. And today in my Grateful thread, I know I've said this before, but I gotta say it again. I am so grateful for Zoom. I talked about Zoom Christmas. I've talked about through Zoom getting to see what my grandchildren far, far away are up to. But yesterday we had a Zoom baby shower for my niece, and our family really is all across Canada and the world. And you know, before the pandemic and all that, we didn't even really know too much about Zoom, and we wouldn't have done a Zoom shower. But with the Zoom shower, people got to participate right across the world in this shower, and we got to see people we haven't seen in a long time, and that was so much fun. It was so much fun seeing everyone. I am so grateful for Zoom. I'd love to hear in the comments what kind of fun things you're doing, your family's doing on Zoom these days. And I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun. Talk to you again tomorrow.